I think every student needs to try this tool out. Yes, this particular AI tool out. So if you want to create a PowerPoint presentation but have a limited time, this AI tool can help you to create a presentation for you in just 2 minutes. Yes, in just 2 minutes, using just a text prompt. Yes, so the prompt, you'll be generating the prompts in maybe ChatGPT, or you also have a topic about it. You can go ahead and create this presentation using an AI tool. And what we are going to do is, today I'm going to lead you through how to do it and the steps that can guide you through this PowerPoint presentation. Yes, so without wasting my time, let's dive into it. So now let's send it over to our Google or Safari, yes, which is our search engine. So now let's tap on Safari, then you type on AutoPPT.com here, this particular site, AutoPPT.com. But now I'm not going to use Safari. I'm going to use Google. Yes, so now I'm using Google here. So this is the site that I'm talking about. So after tapping AutoPPT.com, this is what will pop up. Now if you get it clear, then you go ahead and create account. Yes, you go ahead and create account. So now we want to create this PowerPoint now, and what you're going to do is, let's tap our topic here. So let's tap our topic here. So now the effect of galamsey in Ghana. The effect of galamsey in Ghana. Okay, then you click on send. So after clicking on send, you see it's creating a powerful AI presentation for us. Yes, so now you can modify it to your taste. Yes, you can edit it. So now it has done generating. So what you have to do is, let's click on create. So now it's creating. Let's wait for it to create. Yes, so this is our PowerPoint presentation. Yes, our PowerPoint presentation. This is our PowerPoint presentation. Yes, so now you can we have so many style here. You can I want this, I want to do this. Yes, I want to do the same thing like this. So let's click on it and click generate. So now let's wait for it to load. Yes, so now our PowerPoint has been created, and now our PowerPoint has been created. Yes, so it's still loading. Yes, so this is how to create a simple and easy PowerPoint using AI. So this AI to help students, it's also lecturers and other people. Yes, or even a facilitator. It can help you to generate an or a powerful presentation. It can help you to also generate AI powerful presentation. I hope you get it clear. Yes, it is simple and does not require the complicated step. Yes, it's very, very, very simple. Yes, so you can also modify it to what you like. So just look at this. Just look at it. Let's create a very powerful. So you can adjust everything here. Yes. So now you can go ahead and download it. So now let's click on download. You can also share it to all your social media platform. You can also download it. So now let's download it. So are you sure you want to save? Okay, so let's click on save. So now let's wait for it to load. It's still loading. Yes, so if you're a student and you want to create a PowerPoint presentation, this particular site or AI site will help you out. Yes, so try this, and I think everything is going to be okay in just 2 minutes. Yes, so now let's wait for it to load. So our PowerPoint has been downloaded. Yes, so this is how to create a very powerful PowerPoint presentation as a student or a lecturer or even a facilitator. Yes, so this is how to create a in just 2 minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video and share, so whenever I release new video,